job snatchers and career navigators? We are on tip number 10. Tip number 10 is to give you some gems of how to build your LinkedIn presence organically. Excuse me. So, the first thing I want you to do is to check out your contact list. Check out who you're networked with, who you're connected to. If you haven't talked to some people in a while and you know that they're not going to be any help in your job search or building your business or even trying to maneuver these job searching streets, remove them. Especially if you haven't talked to them in a while and you know that you're not going to talk to them in a while, let them go. Now you have space to start adding organic connections. Okay. So that's one, remove ghost followers. Two, I want you to start engaging more. Engaging doesn't just consist of liking posts. Engaging means that you need to take the time to actually read the person's post. That's the first part. Second, you need to make sure that you include a personal message. If you read the post, if you read the quote, if you read or listened to the video, make comments about it. What did you like about the video? What did you like? What did you like about the quote? What resonated with you? Make it organic. Make people feel that you're actually reading, listening. That's how you build organic connections. That's two. Number three, start searching for groups. Check out the groups that align with what you want to do professionally. This is a good way to introduce yourself. This is a good way to see which companies are hiring in these groups. And this is a good way for you to expand your network. People like to build on LinkedIn. Make sure you're starting to push yourself to step outside of your comfort zone and to build these genuine connections. Those are the three things you have to do. The first one is to get rid of your ghost followers. The second one is to make sure you're engaging. Engage engage with intent, engage with purpose. Make sure you're listening to the videos. Make sure you are reading the post, the full post. And the last one is to make sure that you are joining groups that are aligned with your career goals, that are in alignment with what you want to do as a profession. Start meeting people through intent and purpose. Just three things. As always, be diligent, stay resilient, and keep applying.